Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get paid for Reels on the Instagram. So if you want to make money by just uploading videos on the Instagram, so listen this step carefully, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, your Instagram account must be in professional or creator mode to get paid for the reels. So right now I am on the personal account. You have to click on the three lines on the right top, go to the settings, and from here you have to click on the account. Now scroll up and here you have to click on the switch to the professional account, click on the continue. So first way is that you must have professional or the creator account. Moreover, you have more than 1000 followers on the Instagram, and you must have 5 reels on which you must have more than 1 lakh views. So Instagram will automatically give you a reels bonus. So follow all these steps to get paid for reels. Moreover, if your content is good, maybe different brands or reach you for the sponsorship, they will pay you to promote their products. So these are two ways to make money or paid for reels. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.